Great news, the Zulu royal family is going to be having a wedding very soon because King Mrs. Zulu Zwelithini is set to take a new bride-to-be in Princess Sihle Mdluli from Mpumalanga. So the uncles actually went to Mpumalanga to negotiate. The Zulu royal family has started lobola negotiations with the Mawewe royal family house in Mpumalanga. This is great news because the king has divorced his first wife, and this is a huge stain for the royal family. Imagine, even in traditional weddings currently in the modern days, you don't even think about divorce. You kind of assume that these people will actually stick together because they have old traditions. But unfortunately, we are living in a Western world and even royal families actually divorce.